Hi guys, it's Mary Ellen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks for stopping by. Today I have a flip through of two new products from Rongrong Devoe Illustration. I have a planner here and a sticker book to flip through with you. So if you're interested in seeing that, keep watching. So Rongrong is sponsoring this video and sent me these products. So thank you, Rongrong, for that. And she's so sweet and she has like beautiful illustrations. I don't know if you've ever seen a flip through that I've done of her products, but they're always really cute. And today we have a sticker book and a planner, and they're both like seasonal themed, which is so cute. So let's do the planner first. And I'll show it to you. So it's undated and it is the size of a classic happy planner. And we also have discs. So I do believe that this is Rongrong's first disc-bound planner, which is super cool. It doesn't have any cutouts in it. They're just solid discs. They're rose gold metal discs, really nice. Sorry for the glare on the cover. Wait, let me turn this off and I'll show you. So this is what the cover looks like. It has Rongrong's fashion girl illustrations on it. It says I can and I will, and it's really, really cute. So let's go ahead and flip through the planner. Okay, so we have this really pretty pattern on the inside cover. It says this planner belongs to the name page here, kind of continues on. I think that's beautiful. A little page about Rongrong here, and then the first page you get is a vision board. So the paper feels different, I feel like, than her other planners. It feels real good and like thick. I don't know the exact GSM, but it feels really, really good. So I don't know if that's an improvement or not, but I just like the paper. We have top goals, goal 1, 2, 3, major steps to make this happen. And there's like all of these steps here. For each goal, there's 5 steps. My daily rituals, morning routines, evening routines. I'm grateful for my affirmations. It's really great that there are these prompts. So there is a place to put your morning and evening routines. So they're always in the front of your planner. I like that. So as I said before, it is undated. So this is like a currently page type thing for January or whatever month you're going to start this planner in. You could certainly start it, in May or in August, and you can always move these around because it is not bound. So you can pull the pages out, look, just like a happy planner. You can pull them out and you can pop them back in. So that's wonderful. Okay, so the currently page, I guess, I don't know if we're calling it currently page, but the monthly, like at a glance page, it says month, year, monthly affirmations, action list, notes, body and soul, and monthly goals. And then here is what your monthly layout looks like. Again, we have month and year at the top. We have a note section here. You have a cute little girl down there, and then your monthly blocks. This is purple, so I wonder, I bet you, it changes color each month, it looks like. And we'll show that to you. Not we, me. Okay, so this is what your weekly page looks like. We have this week, top priorities, habit trackers. We have 3 of those, which is good. And then you have, it's just like a classic vertical happy planner. And then there's space at the top to write in the dates or put stickers down or whatever. Also, excuse the pen. I've been creating today. You know how that goes, right? So it looks like all of them for this month are going to be the same. And you're going to get a lot, just like, with the happy planner undated, you're going to get a lot of pages for those months where you need more. And then look at this. This is so cute. We have like a Valentine theme going on here. Again, these are going to be the same headings. It's just like a different color combo and different illustrations on each month. And then, February, if you decide to use this for February, is red. And then red weekly pages for February. Okay, next up we have, this is obviously going to be March. Same deal with these cute illustrations. Look at this girl. She is lucky. And then look, my fave, these little dogs. I love those little dogs that Rongrong drew. They're so cute. Everything in here is hand-drawn illustrations, so really, really cute. Okay, on to a spring theme here. We have like spring bloom. We've got the dress with the lemons, all that kind of stuff. And then on the monthly, we have this girl right here. And then it's going to be like this orangey gold kind of color there. Same deal with this. It's kind of pretty neutral, right? Okay, now we have, what would this be? January, February, March, April, May. And look at this girl. She's so pretty. This girl says Gold Girl here, and it's just like a different color combo. This is like a bunch of colors together, but I bet you these are going to be green. Yep. And there's a girl here. I love Rongrong's illustrations because she's just very inclusive and, you know, includes everyone. You can find someone who looks like you in your planner. All right, so June is Très Chic. Looks like we're going on vacation in June or whatever month you decide to use this planner spread for, this planner month. June has a lot of colors, but mostly like yellows and blues, which is one of my favorite color combinations. So I really like this. This really appeals to me. And let's see what the colors are here. So we've got like a gold, like yellow and blue theme going on here. Yeah, so look at that. That's really, really cute. I'm sorry I'm saying cute 1,000 times. I really am. We've got some cacti down here, of course, and then these monstera leaves, which are my favorite. I wish I could wear this kind of outfit, but I would not look good in that. Trust me. Okay, so we have like this. Is it like a teal color, like a green kind of? I guess it's green for this one. It's like a green and peach, which is really pretty. And then Sunflower Girl. She's hanging out in the sunflowers. She's feeling all the feels. She's having a great time. She has not a care in the world in those sunflowers. And then she's going to go home and have a cupcake. She's riding home on her bike, getting the cupcake, and then she's going to go pick some more flowers. I don't know, but I love this page. I just think it's so pretty, and it's, of course, very summery and cute. And then we have, like, yellow and blue again. Really pretty. Pretty cute, pretty cute, pretty cute. And then these girls are hanging out in September. It's starting to get a little bit colder. She's dreaming big. We've got some sneakers down here. And then like, what is that like? I don't know. Is that like a bubble tea or another kind of coffee? I don't know. There's a lot of beverages in this and I'm all for it. And then we have like this sort of like, it's like a grayish green maybe. I don't know. It's really pretty color with some purples here. And then fall, you guys. Fall is here and they are dressed up for fall. And of course, we have like a little hocus pocus mug and a little pumpkin cupcake, and we're apple picking and we're dressing up for Halloween. Autumn leaves and pumpkins, please. I love fall stuff in my planner. I love fall stuff in general, so this is really cool. We have warm colors here. And we're getting into the oranges and yellows, right? And then Thanksgiving. So November, we have pies, we have turkey, all that kind of stuff. And of course, another beverage. And it looks like, I don't know, what is it? Like a, some sort of pumpkin spice latte or pumpkin cream cold brew or like a pumpkin something or other. All I know is it has whipped cream and I want it. All right, so we have reds and golds here and like a little taupe there too. Okay, now all the jingle ladies, we're in Christmas time and we have like some champagne over here. We've got this girl who's reading. That's me. I love to read and she's like a quiet girl. And then we've got the loud girls too. Like anyone who wears a bow like this definitely is an extrovert. I know that because I'm her. I am not her. Tell me in the comments, would you wear a bow like that? That's crazy, but it's kind of cool, right? She's knitting a big, big stocking. Anyway, those are really cute. And I'm getting off track with weird comments as usual. We've got the ho, ho, ho girl there. And then like a red and green and purple. Well, this is like a blue kind of, red, blue, purple kind of theme for December or whatever month you use it in. Okay, so the end of the planner, we have dot grid paper here with the lemon girl down there. And then this polka dot girl, she's having a good time on your page. And then we have some pages in the back that are dotted lines with some polka dots in the middle. I love having extra pages in my planner just to like do brain dump lists or anything like that. Like I always need extra pages. But that being said, this is a disc-bound planner, so you can put in and take out pages all the time. So you can like put your kids' school papers in here, handouts. You can even rip a page out of a magazine and put it in here if you're still reading magazines, which I don't think most of us are not doing anyway. I'm not, but you could though. That's my point. Okay, back here we've got some stickers. Payday, important, appointment. So they're little header stickers in the colors that are in this planner. Very thoughtful. And then we have birthday, celebrate, day off. And then these are to date your planner. We have the numbers, the months, all that. And they're all on clear sticker paper. And then this is what the back cover looks like. There we go. It's a really cute planner, just something different if you want to like branch out a little bit. I really like this. It's fun. Okay, next up, let's check out this sticker book. This is the I Can and I Will sticker book. And by the way, let me just mention before I flip through this, that you can buy each of these separately, but they also have a planner sticker bundle. So you can basically save some money if you're gonna buy both, buy the bundle so that you can save on that. But you can also buy them separately. I do have an affiliate link. I would appreciate it if you'd use it if you're gonna purchase anything, because it does give me a little tiny bit of income and it doesn't cost you a dime if you click on my link to get to the site. Also, you can use code Bumble10 to get 10% off your order, so don't forget to use that. All right, let's check out this sticker book. I briefly flipped through it. It's super cute. It's a seasonal sticker book with all sorts of stuff in it, so wait till you see. All right, so the first page is like springy type stickers, very soft colors. We have some blues and purples and pinks. Look at this girl with her basket of flowers. I think she's beautiful. Just really, really interesting and cute. And then we have some neutrals here, these little strips. Love that. And then this girl's chilling on your box sticker, this double box sticker there. Dream big, take the chance. We've got these really cute strip stickers here that are like tropical florals, which I am a big fan of, to be honest. And look here. I can't wait to use those. And the good thing about this is it looks like these few pages here are all like going to coordinate to make a really pretty spread or two or three. So it's all kind of set for you. And we have functional boxes here as well. Your only limit is you. Okay, we've got another coffee here. This one, maybe like, I don't know, is it like a latte? Is it a macchiato? Is it a frappuccino? Who knows? But I know it's an iced coffee, and I know I love iced coffee, so I love putting coffee cups in my planner. I don't know why, it's just a thing with me. So I really like, I never would think to combine these colors together, but I really like this color combo. It's pretty interesting. This says top priorities. And then these stickers are really cute, aren't they? Like, I love strip stickers that are patterned. This is like the size of it. It's really pretty. You have two of those and it's gonna coordinate with these. I think it's really nice. Okay, those are all on paper. Now we get into the clear stickers and it's like a whole bunch of illustrations. So there's that girl again, be so good they can't ignore you. Look at these beautiful flowers there. And a dress, another coffee, which I don't even know what that is. I guess it's a pumpkin. Is it like a pumpkin cream cold brew or something? Who knows? But it's pumpkin. So I am enough. I did enough. I can let go. I love this sticker because it reminds me of my anxiety video where I talk about the things that I'm just letting go of and not doing anymore. And I love that Rongrong is giving us permission to do that with this sticker as well. I think that's perfect. Grow through what you go through, work hard in silence, let success be your noise. Believe you can. So this is just a more springy kind of page, and we've got like this for whatchamacallit, St. Patrick's Day. Take the chance, your only limit is you. We've got little purses, another coffee. I'm getting really, really thirsty for coffee right now. There's some dresses in here that are really pretty, like this one, and then there's a couple more, I think, coming up. So here we get into the girls, okay? So we've got the winter girls here. Look at this girl with her big bow. And we've got two of each, you know, different looking girls, but they're like the same at the same time. But, you know, that way Rongrong's just really trying to be inclusive in how she presents these stickers, and I love that. Look at this girl. She's got like this big, like yellow flower in front of her face. I love that. These are fall, obviously. And then these are kind of a mix, right? I don't know if these are spring, fall, summer. They really could be any time of year. There's that girl again with the really pretty flowers. I just love the fashion illustrations. The fashions here are really cool. And yeah, Rongrong does a really good job. These are all hand-drawn. Did I say that already? I actually was filming and I filmed this entire flip through, and then I looked and the camera wasn't on. So if I'm repeating myself, it's because I don't know if I've already said it or not. Oh my gosh, I was so mad because, you know, whatever. Anyway, I love these like corner stickers with the coffee because I love putting them like in the corner of my spreads. It's a little pop. Even if you don't do like a whole Rongrong girl spread, even just having that in like a fall spread is just really cute, right? And then here we have a page of like beautiful, just kind of a mix of illustrations. We even have avocados and strawberries. This watch is really pretty. So you can pull these any time of year, but these look pretty springtime to me, maybe, you know, summer, but really pretty. And then these are springtime as well. I told you there was more dresses. Look at that dress, so cute. Yeah, look at that ice cream cone. Every time I look at these books, I see things I didn't see before. Do you know what I mean? Do you get that way? That's the way I am with the Happy Planner sticker books too, but look at more ice cream cones. I didn't see that when I just did that flip through that's like gone. I did not see those. Those are cute. And then I think my favorite on the page are these like little cut off jean shorts and this little top. I think those are really cute. And then we have like a bag, another dress, like some leaves, a bikini. Look, fruit. I love fruit stickers. And then here's your fall page with more coffee, but it's a pumpkin spice latte probably. And pumpkin cupcakes and just a spooky tree, like so cute. Some pine cones. Love that. And then we have more fall stickers, which is good because it's my favorite. Look at these black candles. They're like spooky and trendy at the same time. I love it. And like a scarf, these little shoes. Really cute. I'm sorry if I said cute 1,000 times, but this stuff is really cute. Okay, so Christmas stickers, right? We have these little houses. There's like 3 of them, look. And so you can make a little house spread. I don't know. We've got sweaters and candy canes and more Christmassy coffees, like just so adorable. Look at these, like cookies. Oh my gosh. Okay, and then back here we have like the dates and months. These are all on clear sticker paper, so you can pop those in your planner if you want to. And then we have some clear quotes. Believe you can. Take the chance. My growth is a continuous process. Don't give up. Be so good they can't ignore you. Don't stop until you're proud. Things like that. And some of them have florals on them. They're real pretty. So there you have it. That is the I Can and I Will sticker book. I think it's really, really cute. And again, you can get it by itself or you can bundle it up with this planner to save a little money if you're getting both of those. All right, I hope you enjoyed this flip through. Do not forget to use my link if you're going to purchase. Oh, and code Bumble10, don't forget about that. And I guess that's all I have. So I will see you in my next video. Take care and have a great day. Bye.